Today's video is all about aquaculture. Aquaculture is the breeding, rearing, and harvesting of fish, shellfish, algae, and other organisms in all types of water environments. As the demand for seafood has increased, technology has made it possible to grow food in coastal marine waters and the open ocean. Aquaculture is the method used to produce food and other commercial products, restore habitats, and replenish wild stocks while rebuilding populations of threatened and endangered species. There are two main types of aquaculture: marine and freshwater. The marine aquaculture focuses on farming species that live in the ocean, whereas freshwater aquaculture is usually for species of fish that live in freshwater like rivers and lakes. As for how aquaculture works, fish are bred and raised in captivity, usually in huge ponds or aquariums designed just for the provision of a suitable habitat for them. Then, when the fish are fully grown, they can be harvested to meet the excess demand. This isn't the only motive behind aquaculturing, though. Sometimes fish that are depleting in the wild and are at risk of going extinct are also protected this way. Fish of that specific breed that is at risk at the time is allowed to grow in an environment where these fish can blossom, and then they can later be released into the wild, replenishing the depleting population. Aquaculture is all about sustainability, as not only are the natural fish stocks not being affected at all, but also the fact that the depleting ones are also being replenished. However, one major concern that people seem to have is that the fish kept in captivity might be depressed. This, however, is far from the truth, as responsible aquaculturing requires the habitat provided to the fish to be catered exactly to the fish and designed in a way as to not put any stress on the fish being held captive.